Hello and welcome to KLM Institute. Today, we take a deep dive into one of the fundamental forces of nature, gravity. From the falling apple that inspired Sir Isaac Newton to the orbits of distant planets, gravity is the invisible force that shapes our universe in ways we often take for granted. Let's explore how this force works and why it is essential to everything around us. Gravity is one of the four fundamental forces of nature, along with electromagnetism, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. Unlike other forces, gravity affects everything with mass, pulling objects toward each other. Whether it's a small object like an apple or massive celestial bodies like planets and stars, gravity holds the universe together. We experience gravity daily, from the moment we wake up to the moment we sleep. The most obvious effect is the force that keeps us anchored to the Earth's surface. Without gravity, we would float off into space. Gravity is responsible for objects falling toward the Earth when dropped, as seen in the famous experiment by Newton with an apple falling from a tree. This event led Newton to formulate his law of universal gravitation, which states that every mass attracts every other mass with a force proportional to the product of their masses, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The force of gravity not only keeps us grounded, but it also governs the movement of water, the behavior of fluids in the body, and even the rhythm of our daily activities. The Earth's gravity is what keeps our atmosphere intact, allowing life to thrive. Gravity and the solar system. Beyond Earth, gravity plays a crucial role in the movement of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. It is the force that keeps the planets in orbit around the Sun, preventing them from drifting off into space. The Sun's mass creates a gravitational pull strong enough to keep all the planets in orbit, with each planet following a path determined by the Sun's mass and the distance from it. For example, Earth orbits the Sun because the Sun's gravity pulls Earth toward it, while Earth's motion keeps it from falling directly into the Sun. This delicate balance between the Sun's pull and Earth's speed in orbit ensures that we remain at a stable distance, allowing life to exist. The same gravitational forces that govern the motion of planets also affect the orbits of moons around planets and satellites around moons. It's this gravitational interaction that creates phenomena like tides on Earth, where the moon's gravity pulls on the oceans, creating high and low tides. The effect of gravity on the universe. Gravity's influence extends far beyond our solar system. It plays a central role in the formation of stars, galaxies, and even black holes. The gravity of massive objects causes space to warp, a phenomenon described by Einstein's theory of general relativity. This warping of space-time explains why light bends around large objects, like stars or black holes, a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. In the distant reaches of the universe, gravity governs the movement of entire galaxies. It causes galaxies to cluster together, forming superclusters and driving the expansion of the universe itself. Without gravity, the structure of the universe as we know it would collapse, and there would be no stars, planets, or even galaxies. Why gravity is so important. Gravity not only keeps our feet on the ground, but it also makes life possible. It is the force responsible for keeping water in our oceans, enabling the planet to sustain life. It governs the cycles of the seasons, the formation of weather patterns, and even the shape of Earth's landscape through erosion. Gravity binds us to the Earth and the cosmos, shaping the structure and movement of everything in the universe. From the tiniest objects to the most massive celestial bodies, gravity is a force that affects all matter, large and small. Its constant influence is one of the reasons the universe is so perfectly structured, and understanding its role is key to understanding the very fabric of our existence. Thank you for joining KLM Institute as we explored the invisible force of gravity and its far-reaching impact on everything from the tiniest objects to the vastness of the universe. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the forces that shape our world and beyond. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more scientific discoveries and deep dives into the mysteries of the universe.